So this is the German DAX. What we see here is a really positive overall situation here in the DAX. You can see this beautiful base that formed here on the weekly. And then we got above that old high and then really moved up nicely on the upside. What we're looking for at this point is that we are getting late in this intermediate term cycle here. We will look for a high to form and then for a rollover back on the downside to really test this rising intermediate term support zone from around 14,683 to 14,174. We would look for that zone to likely hold us on the downside. And then given this longer term positive cycle structure that we see here, we will look for new swing highs to form out into this next rising phase here that goes out into the late summer, into the early fall. So this is a longer term, very positive pattern still in the German DAX. If we shift over to the daily chart, what you see here is a breakdown. So that selling that we saw in the US markets did send Europe lower here as well. You can see the breakdown through the prior cycle low here at 15,071. That says that this rising phase is likely over, and we have entered into this corrective period here on the short-term basis. You can see we had a little bit of a mini bear flag forming here. We will look for this to turn back down on the downside in the German DAX. So a pretty risky pattern setting up here on the short term, but as I mentioned, in a longer term, very positive overall pattern here.
This is a reminder about our level 4 membership special, 35% discount for active traders, investors, and you get the slim charts. You get slim charts for the Thinkorswim platform on our 84 best traded symbols. You get support from me, from RV, from Matt. You can make custom chart requests for up to 2 of those a week. And just sign up for a TD Ameritrade account through the Slim link, and we get credit for that if you don't have a TD Ameritrade account, and you'll need that to get our live charts. But you're also going to get everything in levels 1, 2, and 3, and there's a sign up link right at the front page. I just want to show that to you right over here. So here is the sign up link, special level 4 on the front page. And if you go over to the carousel, that little arrow right there, then you can keep scrolling over. Lots of information that we give you about us. And then click on this Thinkorswim by TD Ameritrade logo there, and it will take you to be able to open up an account at TD Ameritrade. That is how you will then get our charts to upload on that TD Ameritrade program. I'm going to quickly take you to our dashboard. And going to the dashboard, you'll be able to see what is included as a level 4 member. This is the level 4 all-in dashboard. Everything that we have in level 1 and 2 are listed right over here. Our daily snapshot, our live stream broadcasts. I'm not going to show you all of these because it'll just take forever. We offer so much content. You can ask Matt about it all at matt@slim.com. We have our Spider ETF review, our weekly outlook for the SIR. You'll get our market week minutes, future speak minutes. That's where you can go directly to the point on those videos where you want to see your symbol of interest. You're going to get all of our chart streams, our Slimulator ranking systems. I'm going to show you that one. Trade ideas, our Slimulator momentum tracker, chart streams. These are our live charts running. You don't need a special platform. You'll be able to watch some of our very key charts for trading, and you'll be able to make level 4 chart requests. This is just fantastic. I'm going to give you a little peek at that. Somebody asks for a particular analysis. Somebody asked for ASML, so that analysis was given to them. They get a link to put up on Thinkorswim, and then these charts get posted right over here where it gives you that information on ASML. So that's for the chart requests. There's so much in here. I just can't even give it all to you. All of our proprietary indicators, you will get that as level 4 in our Ask Slim library with over 500 videos in there. Just unbelievable information. Let's go to the workbench really quickly, and you'll be able to get a look at the workbench. And you'll be able to see that it gives you just a list of everything that's posted all day long. we don't stop giving you analytical things. I'm just going to go to the ranking system, which are those 84 symbols that we think are the best for you to trade, and give you an idea of the Slimulator ranking system. This has long-term, intermediate, short-term, and our option bias indicator in there. You want to know which are the strongest directional biases and what that information means. All you have to do, well, let's say, what are the most bearish stocks out of or symbols out of what we're looking at? And you can see in here, First Solar, Netflix, Nike, Twitter, the dollar. Those are all extremely negative. You can see, in fact, the dollar is negative all the way across right there. You want to see by long term which are the strongest or the weakest. You can do that. And by the way, the strongest on our directional bias are Google, Goldman Sachs, Morgan Stanley, the financials, EWW. You get an idea of that. You want to know what the weekly chart is on Goldman Sachs? We'll just click right over here, and there it is with all of our work for you. You want to know what the daily chart is on Goldman Sachs with all of our work? You just click that, all of that. All of this included in your Level 4 membership. Just fantastic information that you're going to get. This is the Slimulator ranking system that has all that information on there, and scanning, just individual symbols you can look for. Just fantastic. This is a little different than our Slimulator momentum tracker because this has a lot more information in there. So that's the workbench right over there. And this is the Ask Slim site. You can just go up there to Level 4 Special and sign up using that. And if you have any questions that you would like to ask about all of this, or you somehow can't access the link, write Matt at AskSlim.com, and he's going to tell you all about that. 35% off for new Level 4 members or upgrades from one of our other levels. Use that sign-up link. And you will pay only $101.25 a month versus our regular $159 a month, and that is a fantastic deal. It's amazing how much you're going to get, and for 3 months you're going to get such an unbelievable feel of the constant analysis and education that we send all day long, every single day, and all of the live things that we have going on all day long. So I think you're going to love it. Please do take advantage of this. Biggest discount we'll ever offer on this active trader investor membership with Slim's charts on the Thinkorswim platform. So please do open up a Thinkorswim TD Ameritrade account.